Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning how to give the different font styles to the text. So first of all, here this paragraph have some ugly font. So first of all, I am gonna change the font of this text. So how to change the font? Here I'm gonna write the font family. So what is the font family? In the font family you are able to give more than one font. So if one font is not exist in the computer, then the second font will automatically execute. First of all, I'm gonna give the Tahoma, then write the comma, and then I'm going to give the Arial, and if Arial is not exist, I'm gonna give the Times New Roman. But here Times New Roman, this sentence have three words, so we have to write these words in the inverted commas. Times New Roman and then semicolon. So now let's execute it, and oops, I have forget to add the selector, and here I'm going to apply this font family on the paragraph, and now let's execute it. Here the font is changed. This is Tahoma font, and we are also able to give it the font size. Here is the font size is, I'm gonna give it 5 pixel or 20 pixel. So now its font size is increased. And here I want to tell you another thing, that is EM. So what is the EM? 1 EM is equal to 16 pixel, and you can also give the font size in the EM. You can give the 2 EM, that is 32 pixel, 3 EM, 4 EM. So now the next thing is the font style. Font style is italic, oblique, normal. So I'm gonna give it italic. Now let's execute it. Here it's become italic, and you can also give it oblique. Here it's become oblique. It is just like the italic, and the default is normal. You can also give it the normal value, and you can also give the font weight. What is the font weight? The font weight contain the values. What is the font weight? It is bold, bolder, lighter. What is here? I have give the bold. We are able to give the bolder. Here it's become bolder, and you can also give it the lighter, and you can also give the values in the numbers. Here it is lighter, and you can also give it the numbers from the 100 to the 1000. No, its values is from the 100 to the 900. Here is the effect, and you can also give another property, that is font variant. So what is the font variant? The font variant is a property. When we give the normal value, the text is normal. If we give the small caps, so all the small or the lowercase letters are converted into the uppercase, and the letters that is already uppercase or have the font size greater than the converted letters. So now let's render the page. So here you can see that all the letters are uppercase, but the previous or uppercase letters have the greater font size, and you can also give it the value normal, so the text is become normal. And the next thing is the shorthand property. You don't need to use all the properties. You can give all the values, or the values what you want in the single line. Here first of all you are able to give the font style. I'm going to give it italic, and you can also give it the font variant, and then the font weight, and then you have to give the font size. Here is the 16 pixel, and then you are also able to give the line height after the forward slash, but here I'm gonna give the Tahoma font family, but I have write only one font. So this is the way we can give the different values. I hope you enjoy my lecture. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion on Udemy. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video.